Task number 2, Moniker link CVE-2024-21413 is part of the same module name, which is part of the exploitation basics, which is part of the cybersecurity 101 path. Outlook can render emails as HTML. You may notice this being used by your favorite newsletters. Additionally, Outlook can parse hyperlinks such as HTTP and HTTPS. However, it can also open URL specifying applications known as Moniker links. Normally, Outlook will prompt a security warning when external applications are triggered, like we can see over here. This pop-up is a result of Outlook's Protect View. Protect View opens emails containing attachments, hyperlinks, and similar content in read-only mode. Blocking this can blocking things such as macros, especially from outside an organization. By using the file, Moniker link is our hyperlink. In our hyperlink, we can instruct Outlook to attempt to access a file, such as a file on a network, such as we see here the hyperlink, but we offer a file and then the attacker IP. Click me, right? So we basically test this hyperlink, right? We place a click me hyperlink. The SMB protocol is used, which involves using local credentials for authentication. However, Outlook's Protect View catches and blocks this attempt. We have the paragraph with the hyperlink, right? Which we bring the user to our machine and then test. The vulnerability here exists by modifying our hyperlink to include the question mark special character and some text in our Moniker link, which results in bypassing Outlook's Protect View. For example, the same hyperlink, but at the end we place the question mark and then exploit, click me. Here we can see in a code block. We as attackers can provide a Moniker link of this nature for the attack. Note, the share does not need to exist on the remote device, as an authentication attempt will be attempted regardless, leading to the victim's Windows net NTLM v2 hash being sent to the attacker. Remote code execution is possible because Moniker link uses the component object model on Windows. However, explaining this is currently out of scope for this room, as there is no publicly released proof of concept for achieving RCE via the specific CVE. Answer the questions below. What Moniker link type do we use in an hyperlink? Well, we saw we need file. What is the special character used to bypass Outlook's Protect View? That is the question mark. The vulnerability here exists by modifying our hyperlink to include the question mark special character and some text in our Moniker link, which results in bypassing Outlook's Protect View.